What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today we're going to show you how to set up your RCM SR condenser microphone. Let's head over to Mike right now, who's going to show us how to set it up.
What's up guys, Mike from Rockville, and today we are looking at the new RCM SR Studio condenser microphone. I have one here right in front of me. Let's open this up and see what's inside. We have a shock mount to attach to a microphone stand and hold the microphone. Moving on, we have an included pop filter that helps block out plosives. Plosives are usually words that start with a P, a B, a K, a T, and a G. These words audibly have a pop in them, which the pop filter limits. So over here we include two XLR cables. One of them is an XLR male to XLR female, and one of them is an XLR female to a male 3.5mm cable. You can use this cable to plug into most microphone inputs on a PC's computer sound card.
Now to add on to what Mike just said, setting up the RCM SR to our PC is super easy. You'll just want to grab the included female XLR to male 3.5mm cable, plug the female XLR end into your microphone, then take the 3.5mm end and plug it into the mic input on your computer. Now usually condenser mics need phantom power in order to use them. However, computers do supply enough power to power condenser microphones like these. So next you'll just want to go into the sound settings of your computer, switch the input device to the computer's microphone input, and raise the input volume all the way up so the microphone picks up your voice at full volume. So then you can go to the DAW you're using on your PC, select the computer's microphone input as your input device, and you're all set. So now back to Mike for more info.
So the first thing we're going to do is take our shock mount and we're going to screw it onto our microphone stand. Make sure it's nice and tight on. The next thing we're going to do is take our microphone and fit it in nicely by holding in on the clamps here, pushing it in, and then releasing slowly. Now you're going to take your pop filter and you're going to basically put it over the microphone by pulling back on the backs of the band over here. It should fit nice and tight. Next, we're going to take our XLR cable, and what I'm going to do is plug the female end into the microphone. You should hear a click. Then I'm going to take the male end and run it straight into my interface, which is connected to my laptop via USB. Now on your interface, you're going to want to make sure to hit 48 volts of phantom power. This is a condenser microphone, so it does require phantom power. The next thing we do is just hit record on our recording software. Here we go. Check 1 2, check 1 2. This is Mike from Rockville. Check 1 2, check 1 2. This is Mike from Rockville. So as you can hear, this microphone has a really great sound. It's very pleasant and also very present. It also has a really great sensitivity without introducing any noise. So if I move over here, you're still going to be able to hear me without hearing a lot of the room ambience.
So we hope this showed you guys how easy it is to set up your RCM SR condenser microphone. However, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. We'll see you guys next time.